Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Mahindra Thar is one of the most iconic vehicles in India, known for its rugged design, off-road capabilities, and a legacy that spans decades. It has grown to become a symbol of adventure and versatility, appealing to enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. Here's a detailed look at the Mahindra Thar in 900 words, covering its history, design, performance, and why it's such a beloved vehicle in the Indian automobile market. A brief history. The Mahindra Thar traces its origins back to the post-independence era when Mahindra began assembling Willys Jeeps in India. These vehicles, known for their durability and robust design, laid the foundation for Mahindra's off-road expertise. Over the years, Mahindra adapted and improved the Jeep design, culminating in the launch of the Thar in 2010. The Thar was a spiritual successor to the Mahindra MM540 and CJ models, combining the ruggedness of a traditional off-roader with modern-day practicality. The second-generation Thar, launched in October 2020, marked a significant evolution for the vehicle. It transitioned from being a niche off-roader to a lifestyle vehicle with a broader appeal. With improved comfort, technology, and safety features, the new Thar attracted a more diverse set of buyers, including urban customers. Design and styling. The Mahindra Thar's design is one of its standout features. Its boxy, muscular silhouette draws inspiration from classic Jeep designs while incorporating modern elements to make it more contemporary. The second-generation Thar retained its iconic stance while receiving key updates to enhance its visual appeal. Exterior features. The vehicle features circular halogen headlamps, a 7-slot grille, flared wheel arches, and chunky 18-inch all-terrain tires that give it a bold and aggressive look. The short overhangs and high ground clearance emphasize its off-road capabilities. Buyers can choose between a soft top, hard top, and convertible top, catering to different preferences and driving conditions. Interior. The Thar's interior combines practicality with the touch of modernity. The dashboard has a clean, functional layout with durable materials to withstand tough conditions. The second-generation Thar introduced features like a touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering-mounted controls, and premium upholstery. Despite its rugged nature, the Thar's cabin now provides a comfortable and enjoyable experience for both drivers and passengers. Performance and engine options. The Mahindra Thar offers a choice between petrol and diesel engines, catering to different driving needs and preferences. Both engines are BS6 compliant and come with options for a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Petrol engine. The 2.0 liters M Stallion TCD petrol engine delivers 150 bhp and 320 Nm of torque, 300 Nm with a manual gearbox. This engine is ideal for those looking for a smooth and refined driving experience, especially in urban settings. Diesel engine. The 2.2 liters M-Hawk diesel engine produces 130 bhp and 300 Nm of torque. It offers excellent low-end torque, making it perfect for off-road enthusiasts who need power in challenging terrains. 4x4 capabilities. The Thar comes equipped with a part-time 4x4 system, a low-range transfer case, and a mechanical locking differential. With a water wading depth of 650 mm, an approach angle of 41.8 degrees, and a departure angle of 36.8 degrees, the Thar is built to tackle rough trails, rocky paths, and river crossings with ease. Driving experience. The Mahindra Thar strikes a balance between on-road comfort and off-road prowess. While the earlier generation was primarily focused on off-roading, the newer model has significantly improved road manners. The suspension system has been tuned for better stability and ride comfort, making it a more versatile vehicle. On highways, the Thar cruises comfortably at high speeds, and its commanding driving position offers excellent visibility. However, it truly shines when taken off the beaten path, Whether it's scaling steep inclines, navigating muddy trails, or traversing rocky terrain, the Thar instills confidence with its robust build and advanced 4x4 system. Features and technology. The second-generation Thar comes with a host of modern features, making it more practical and enjoyable for everyday use. 1. Touchscreen infotainment system. A 7-inch touchscreen display supports smartphone connectivity via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The system also includes an adventure statistics display to monitor off-road performance. 2. Safety features. The Thar has improved significantly in terms of safety. It received a 4-star global NCAP rating, thanks to features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP with rollover mitigation, hill start assist, hill descent control, and a built-in roll gauge. 3. Comfort and convenience. Features like cruise control, a tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, keyless entry, and air conditioning add to the Thar's practicality and appeal. Variants and pricing. The Mahindra Thar is available in 2 key trims, Axe, Adventure, and LX, Lifestyle. The Axe variant is more basic, designed for hardcore off-roaders, while the LX variant comes with added features and comforts for urban users. The pricing for the Thar starts at around a superscript 110.98 lakh and goes up to a superscript 116.94 lakh, ex-showroom, depending on the variant and options. While it is more expensive than its predecessor, the added features and improvements justify the price. Why is the Mahindra Thar so popular? The Thar's appeal lies in its versatility and character. It caters to a wide range of buyers. 1. Off-road enthusiasts. With its rugged build and 4x4 capabilities, the Thar is a dream vehicle for adventurers who love exploring tough terrains. 2. Lifestyle buyers. The modern features, stylish design, and comfortable interiors make the Thar an attractive option for urban buyers who want a vehicle that stands out. 3. Legacy and sentiment. The Thar carries a rich heritage that resonates with Indian buyers, many of whom grew up seeing Jeeps and their derivatives on Indian roads. 4. Resale value. The Thar has excellent resale value, thanks to its cult status and enduring demand. Conclusion. The Mahindra Thar is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. It pays homage to its roots while embracing advancements that make it relevant in today's market. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a city dweller looking for a stylish vehicle, or someone who appreciates a touch of nostalgia, the Thar has something to offer. Its robust performance, improved safety, and modern features ensure it remains a top choice in the Indian SUV market. With its legacy firmly cemented, the Mahindra Thar is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.